Hi, I'm Gustavo from Placker, and I'll show you how the Advanced Mirror power-up works. While it's enabled on this board, it will automatically convert card links that were created previously with the Trello basic mirroring into fully synced cards, and you can also create new card mirrors. For example, you can create a mirror card on an individual board that also shows up on a master board, maintaining two-way synchronization of all card data. Everything that happens in a board, like moving to another list or marking it as complete, will reflect on the other. You can also open any card on your board and click the Card Mirror button in the Power Up section. From here, you can select which board and list you want to mirror this card to. Click Create Mirror, and now you have fully synced cards on both boards. Advanced users can set up automation rules to generate mirrored cards automatically. Click the icon, then select Manage Mirror Rules. Here, you can create conditions that trigger mirroring actions, such as, when a card has the green label, create a mirror on another board. You can also create a parent-child mirror between a checklist item and a card. When a checklist item is assigned to myself, mirror the item as a card to my personal board. Rules will trigger every time a condition is met, saving a lot of time by automating the process of creating mirrors while ensuring that everyone is aligned. You can customize exactly what syncs between mirrors by clicking Manage Settings, then Mirror Settings. Here, you can select which attributes should stay in sync, like labels, and which should remain specific to each card, like comments or descriptions. As you can see, the Advanced Mirror Power-Up transforms your Trello boards into a powerful cross-board management system. If you have any questions, just click Get Help to access our articles, or use the chat button in the lower right corner to start a conversation. Thanks for watching.